discover the flying gas station of the skies? Today on Military Colossus, we unveil the KC-135 Stratotanker, the tanker aircraft that grants the U.S. Air Force global reach. Throughout the video, we'll reveal its origin, evolution, and how it keeps fighters and bombers in the air for hours without landing. Stay with us until the end, as we'll bring technical data and exclusive curiosities. Good fight.
What is today's date? The 19th? Alright, and I got the radios.
Alright, 4 above 40. Start speed up, 208.
Sir. Roger, I...
The KC-135 is powered by 4 CFM International CFM56 turbofan engines, allowing it to reach speeds of over 580 mph and altitudes up to 50,000 feet. This means it can keep up with strategic bombers and fighters during extended missions. A remarkable detail is the precision required. Connecting the refueling boom in flight demands almost surgical control, a skill mastered by very few crews worldwide.
Roger, I see altitude armed.
Approaching
19.
And 35. He's still coming in.
Right. That's good. Big needle from the little needle.
Cleared as requested.
He took 7 even.
That was 7 even.
Are you all heading back home from here and want to push a little bit more to the southwest, or you're good?
Whatever's easiest for you guys. We're going to take plenty of gas to give us.
Request Central on left.
Clear left, and your offload is 4.7.
Black U4.
The KC-135 stems from the Boeing 367-80 with a narrow fuselage and low wings. Most of its internal space is devoted to tanks, carrying up to 200,000 pounds of fuel, 90,700 kg. This capacity makes the Stratotanker vital to extend missions, refueling fighters, bombers, and transports mid-air.
Yeah, C-17s are huge.
Yes.
Have you always had?
It's the last of it. Straight open, okay?
Yep.
Do you know if they're refueling aircraft?
Okay, we got 5 of them.
Though not built for direct combat, the KC-135 can carry defensive systems such as electronic countermeasures, chaff, and flare dispensers to evade enemy missiles. Its true weapon is the refueling boom, capable of transferring thousands of liters of fuel in minutes, vital for keeping entire fleets airborne during extended missions.
channel 1. Hit him again. Say box on or off or whatever. Down.
The KC-135 spawned a whole family of variants. The original KC-135A, the KC-135Q designed to refuel the SR-71, the upgraded KC-135R with new engines, and even models adapted as NASA flying test beds. This flexibility kept the aircraft relevant for decades. A lesser-known fact, some variants were converted into airborne command posts during the Cold War. Beyond the United States Air Force, countries like France, Chile, Turkey, and Singapore also operated the Stratotanker. Still, nowhere else used it as extensively as the US, which once had hundreds flying at the same time. Interestingly, France began retiring its KC-135s in 2020, replacing them with Airbus A330 MRTTs. The KC-135 is more than a tanker. It acts as a strategic air bridge, enabling fighters, bombers, and even transports to reach distant targets without landing. It has supported medical evacuations, logistics, and even nuclear missions during the Cold War. Its core role remains ensuring global reach for USAF operations. Mission accomplished, warriors. The KC-135 Stratotanker proved that without fuel, there is no air supremacy. If this giant of the skies impressed you, strengthen the squad. Hit like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss the next operations. Here on Military Colossus, every week we bring new analyses of military machines with exclusive footage and details. Comment which aircraft or vehicle should be our next target. And remember, you can support the channel with a donation, link in the description and pinned comment. The Colossus stands ready, fueling the next mission.